Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can switch camera to night mode and capture a photo in the dark on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up the camera app. Now to switch the camera to night mode, make sure you tap on this night mode button at the top here. Now you can see when I tap on it, it has a cross. That means night mode is currently switched off. So tap on it to switch it on. After that, at the bottom, you want to tap on the photo tab. So tap on photo. And from here, swipe up to get some additional settings. Then you want to tap on this night mode button. Okay, once you tap on that, it has the auto function. And if we swipe across, you can see there is a timer. Now this timer, at the moment it shows 2 seconds. It is a variable timer. So depending on your lighting environment, this may increase or decrease. The timer number may increase or decrease. Now at the moment I can set it to 3 seconds. But as you can see, if I move my phone around and if there is more light, then the timer will the time period will decreases. So this timer or the number of seconds will changes accordingly. Okay, so here let's say I want to start taking a photo. You can see at the top here it shows 2 seconds. And if I swipe across like this, at the moment it is 2 seconds. And I tap on the shutter button to capture a photo. You can see here when you are taking pictures, it will take around 2 seconds to capture the picture. This will give the camera a 2 seconds exposure to the light. So here now it's got 3 seconds. Now tap on the shutter button and make sure you do not move your camera. If you move the phone, then the picture will be blurred during that time. And you can see after the 2 seconds exposure, my room is quite dark, and the photos come up very nice with a lot of lights and details. And that is how you can switch to night mode, switch the camera to night mode and take a picture in the dark. So at the moment my room is does not have a lot of light. It seems to be having a lot of lights because of the camera, but in fact I assure you it is quite dark. And by simply adjusting the night mode time right here, it will give you a nice clearer photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.